Come test drive the 2020 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, MP3 player, passenger airbag on/off switch, passenger airbag, brake assist, daytime running lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.